Internally displaced persons from Shochanpur, Kampopi and More continued their protest against government for holding the Manipur Sangai festival while asserting that normalcy cannot be assumed until they get to return to their homes. Hundreds of internally displaced persons gathered at Kwakta Sericulture prefabricated house relief camp and took out a march towards Shochanpur district. However, they were stopped by security personnel from proceeding further. Speaking on the sideline, co-convener of Shochanpur Maite Victim Committee Naba Ningthaujam expressed his anguish over government for failing to address their issues. He informed that many requests were made to government to refrain from organizing any festivals until IDPs are resettled at their houses in Shochanpur, Kampopi and More. Describing the pathetic living condition of various displaced families in relief camps, Naba warned to intensify their agitations if government continue to ignore their plights. He further asserted that government must prioritize their resettlement, free movement on national highways before organizing any festivals. The IDPs started their rally from Kwakta Sericulture Training Institute relief camp, but they were stopped at Kwakta Turenban Bridge by Rapid Action Force and other security force personnel from proceeding further towards their village in Shochanpur district.
PR government na Sangai festival pangtho obanina santi leire harabanina aikoi isagi irandamda isagi pognafamda hanjalan biyo haibase aikoi masi aikoi gi haibam thokpani aikoi gi rai ni maramde aikoi sana tebari ni kemde leje minina aduna aikoi miyoi ba magi aikoi chaba chadaba hinnaba aikoi gi umam jabam hanagi leifamduda tinbi halan biro haibasidi masi aikoi gi rai ne ba aduna aikoi haibani moi ngasi su yadre aduduna aikoi gi IDP की organization तरुक मणिपुर की lodging लोयादा 3 May 2025 को मरी लेने ना मसागी मई के साखरबा सिगी लीडर मयाम पुल्लगा एकोई मसाई वरेप अमा लोगजरे अदुना वरेप से लेबा मियाम दा खंगनबगी दमक्ता एकोई की ngasiगी संगाई फेस्टिवल बोयकॉट तौबसिदा मणिपुर की CSO amadi mera pabi civil society organization mayam amana support tobibunina moi getroga punna ekoi apunna pangan nama sakana bagi damakta ekoi leba mayam amadi IDP punumakta thanganjara age mayam na lakthor ko khunglen jida mayam punna support tomina jana amuka hana ini kongon ko injari